bird time, bird time.
You already know MB takeover in the spotlight and what? Word live.
You already know. MB takeover. I'm Rock's #1 girl.
Me too wavy. Do anything.
Wait, what is it? The gangsta. What is that thing? I forgot it. Some gangsta that they do about like YG. MB.
Who cares? MB. Anyways, what's today? Today is
September 19th. September 20th, tomorrow was going down. You already know what it is.
Basement Pinks.
Even though we already got the season. Let me take y'all.
Okay, y'all got the season, right?
We're not even gonna show her.
No. Oh, you're saying.
#1 girl.
They got the princess one?
Yeah, duh.
He just handed the rock one immediately.
Hey, swag.
It's like rock.
He's like, who's your favorite? I was like, Rock.
I dare you to show it to them. He should go be like, what the hell you get?
Too bad. But yeah, we on the one train going to 106. MB, son, MB.
And Tamia is behind the camera.
Yeah. Nobody care about Tamia because she in her uniform.
Shut up. That's why Lonnie was scared if she weird behind the dumpster.
Where's that with it?
What does that say?
I only date peeps.
I want one.
Where to put it?
I want the haters gonna hate me.
I want one.
Haters gonna hate me.
I thought I'm stepping on
I
someone's
want that
foot.
one, whatever that one is.
Everybody's tofu fighting.
Yeah, that.
Alright, camera time over. MB takeover. I'm sure you get the point.
I saw that video you put on YouTube. I was like,
Yo, this little bird go put the video on Facebook.
Yeah,
I was dead. I was like, everybody
you
was
said in that
like,
country. Matter of fact, write down your number.
write down your number. I was like, this
I didn't
girl
even
said,
hear
she
it.
was like, she was.
so wait, video